Hi guys! If you're interested in low-risk, beginner-friendly investments in the Philippines, this video might help. I'll be showing you how to subscribe in BDO UITF investments and a 4-year update on my portfolio. To know more about UITFs, check this video out. For BPI UITFs naman, you can check this video. Links will be on the description box below. To give you a quick intro, UITF stands for Unit Investment Trust Fund. It's basically a pool of funds managed by professionals, meaning your money is invested in a mix of assets, tulad ng bonds, stocks, and money markets, depending on your chosen fund. Madami kayong pwedeng pagpilian na funds, which you can see later on.
On the BDO website, go to Investments, then Funds, Invest Online. Log in to your BDO account. Same ito nung nasa BDO online app. If wala kayo nito, download the app and sign up first. Click Login. Input the OTP and submit. Now you'll see your portfolio here. Madaming pwede investan dito sa BDO investments, like dollar UITF, peso EIP, dollar EIP, and others. But for now, dito lang tayo sa peso UITF.
I decided to invest 20,000 pesos and just let it sit. Hindi ako nag-top up or hindi ko dinagdagan and hindi din ako nag-withdraw. I wanted to see how it would grow in time. Here's my actual portfolio. After 4 years, my 20,000 peso investment earned about 2,000 pesos. That's a 10% return, so roughly around 2.5% per year. Not a huge amount, but considering I didn't do anything, it's still passive income. And for a low-risk fund, it's not bad. Versus sa pag nilagay ko sa savings, which earns only around something percent. Also, there are other funds na pwedeng pagpilian that could give higher or lower returns.
Dito lang kasi tayo sa BDO Peso Multi-Asset Fund. Click the COP number if you want to see your UITF confirmation of participation or COP document. Now, if you want to subscribe again sa UITF or kung first time nyo mag-subscribe, go to transaction and then register UITF subscription. Then proceed to filling up the investor profile questionnaire para malaman kung ano ang risk profile natin. To know gaano ka-high or low risk ang mga investments na babagay sa atin. Just answer the questions based on what's best for you. Click next. Review your answers. Take note that you can only update this once every 3 years. So, di nyo na muna pwedeng i-update once you've submitted it. Click Submit. Then, read and agree. You'll get your risk profile score. So, since this is my second time to update my risk profile, meron akong previous IPQ score and current IPQ score. And based on my responses, balanced ang profile ko and same general investment approach. So I can invest in a mix of fixed income securities and equities. And these are the recommended UITFs na pwede ko pag-investan. Click Submit. And there you go. We've updated our IPQ or CSA. Basically, here you'll see your risk profile and assessment summary. Valid to hanggang 2028. Dito sa baba, you'll see yung risk profile matrix. So if hindi ka balanced, you can either be moderate or aggressive. So pag si moderate, you can invest in less risky funds. And aggressive is mas risky. But again, dito lang tayo sa balanced. You may review and check the fund details by clicking on them para makapili kayo. For example, itong si BDO Short-Term Fund. You have the description, kung saan naka-invest itong fund na to, minimum amount para mag-invest. So for this particular fund, 10,000 pesos, minimum additional or maintaining participation. So di dapat bababa sa 10K ang investment nyo even if you top up. Dapat minimum 10K. Minimum holding period, since none nakalagay dito, ibig sabihin, pwede nyo i-redeem anytime. And since wala naman minimum holding period, wala din early redemption fee. My trust fee na 0.25% per annum. Scroll down to see the performance of the fund. Based on the table, good performing fund naman siya, but minimal lang ang gains. Ayan, let's go back. So that's how you can briefly review a fund. Pwede nyo isa-isahin to para makapili kayo. You can also invest in more than one fund naman, kaya no worries on that. Now that we've set our risk profile, we can now subscribe and invest. Balik tayo dito sa taas. And let's go to regular UITF subscription. Either open a new account or if meron na kayong existing, select add to an existing account. Pagbaguhan lang kayo, before opening an account, make sure to read and agree to the Online Facility Service Agreement or OFSA. On my case, dito tayo sa add to an existing account. Select the account and click proceed. So like what you've seen earlier, ito yung mga funds na pwede nyo pag-investan. Click lang if you want to do more research about the fund. To show you, magsusubscribe or invest tayo on this fund, BDO Peso Money Market Fund. It's a low-risk fund with a moderate na risk profile. Select, then click proceed. Review the fund by clicking here. Minimum investment is 10K, no holding period and early redemption fee. Of course, it's still best that you review all the funds. For demonstration purposes, ito piliin natin. At least no holding period naman, so I can easily withdraw if I want to change my mind. But if you're okay with that, read and agree to the Risk Disclosure Statement or RDS. Input the amount na gusto nyong invest, select kung anong BDO account nyo manggagaling yung pag-invest, then click proceed. Note na if out of cut-off time kayo nag-invest, which is 11:30 AM, it will be processed the next banking day. Click submit, then close. There you go. So if you go back to the dashboard, di nyo pa makikita, but you'll receive an email confirming your investment. If you check your BDO online and napansin yung nabawasan ang account nyo, but wala sa transactions history, don't worry. Hindi lang na-update pa. Just wait a few days. So let's see the result of my fund after around 13 days. I invested on May 15 and now it's May 28. With the amount I invested, I owned around 27 units and I've earned around 73 pesos.
Is it worth it? Now, let's be real. 2.5% a year is not something na malaki talaga. But it's still better than letting your money sit in your savings account and earn just around point-something% a year. But it's not also something that'll make you rich overnight. UITFs are great for beginners, especially if you're still building your knowledge sa pag-invest and gusto nyo ng safer option versus stocks. However, if you're looking for higher growth, it's better to explore equity UITFs or direct stock investing. But those come with higher risks. Ibig sabihin, mas malaki yung chances that you could lose money. But again, if mag-earn naman kayo, mas malaki ang makukuha nyo. Some tips for beginners: start with the amount that you can afford to lose. Don't use your emergency funds or pera na kailangan nyong agad-agad gamitin. Know your risk tolerance. So, kaya mo bang mag-invest with a higher risk but a higher reward, or a lower risk with lower reward, or moderate lang? Usually, UITF platforms has a risk assessment test before they could let you invest, tulad nitong BDO. Another one is use the auto invest feature. Maganda ito for peso cost averaging. I can talk more about this on a separate video. Always review the historical performance of the fund. Consider your timeline. The longer you stay invested, the better the results. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something on this video. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys and invest wisely. Bye!